How to check Roblox server time. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore how to check the server time in Roblox. To do this, by running the Roblox player on my computer, if I join a game and then open the developer console, I can determine how long the server has been running since my entry. The first method involves joining a server, starting to play, and pressing F9 to bring up the developer console. By doing so, I can view the time elapsed since my actions and my entries. This method provides a reference point by displaying the current time at my location. Although not flawless as it begins tracking only after joining this server, it remains the most reliable approach in the absence of the dedicated server time tracker in the game. Without such a feature implemented by the server owner or the game creator in the Roblox studio, accurately determining the server's uptime is challenging. Remember that this method offers the only available reference for gauging how long a server has been running since your arrival. So I trust that this guide has been helpful in understanding how to check the server time in Roblox. If you found this information useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.